We are starting with the new chapter of EVS, Environmental Studies, and the number is 8. Chapter 8, My Family. My family. See, father, mother, two kids. Father and mother are there, that means parents, along with their two kids. This is a hand. And what is written over hand? My family. See, my family and me. There are many types of families. Can you see these families? Parents along with their kids, mother, only mother, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt. Many of you must be living in different types of families. For example, you might be living alone with your parents, but some of you are living with grandparents, and some, like me, with their uncle, aunt, and so on. So beta, families are of various types. Can you see? Many families are there. You have to identify which family is yours. This is your homework. You have to tell me that आपकी family किस तरह की है. Few people that lives with us are, see, mom. मम्मा रहती हैं राय साथ में, right? Then dad. Mom and dad. That means your parents. Mom, dad, sister and brother. Sister and brother. Mama, that means mother, father. Your sister, your brother might be elder or younger. Then grandmother, grandfather. Okay? Grandmother, grandfather. Dadi or amma you say. Dadu. Or what do you say to your grandpa? Uncle, aunt. Uncle means anybody. Your chacha, your tau, your or your fufa, anybody. That is uncle. And aunt. Okay? See? Mom, mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt. Okay? See? Mama, papa with a small baby, too young. Then he's growing up. Okay? So, chapter 8, My Family. I live with my brother, father and mother. Here two girls are talking, my dear. Saina and her friend. They both are talking to each other. And what are they saying? क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? She is saying, see, can you see this? This means this pink girl. She is saying, she's telling her friend, what is she telling? I live with my brother, father and mother. To whom will she live? Brother, father and mother. Father and mother are known as parents. Now she is telling in detail. What is she telling? He is my father. What is she telling, my dear? She is telling that this man, I hope you can see this man. He is her father. Father. Who is he? Father. See? Father. He is the head of the family. Usually, who is the head of the family? It happens ना कि किसकी who is the head? Head means सबसे बड़ा. कौन होते हैं हमारी फैमिली में सबसे बड़े? Grandfather or uncle or a father. He is the head of the family. He goes out, he earns, he takes care of your all needs. Okay? So father is the head of the family here. And then she's telling he is Rohan. See this boy? So what is she saying? He is Rohan. He is my brother. Then next she's saying she is my mother. She looks after our needs. You can underline the word looks after. Looks after means care. She takes care our needs. Our family is a small family. So what she has told? Father is the head of the family. Rohan is brother. And mother, she looks after our needs. For example, if you want to eat something or you are feeling hungry, to whom do you say? You ask for food from your mother. Okay? And who brings the things in the kitchen or who fulfills your need? He is the father. So what is she saying? Our family is a small family. What type of family she is having? Small family. Small means choti. Okay? But my dear, now the question is what a family is. What is a family? Come on, let's read. A family is a group of people who are related to each other. Can you see how ma'am is reading? Ma'am is holding a pencil in her hand and she is just using the pencil. Can you see this? Under every word, and then ma'am is able to read. In this way only, my dear, you have to read. A family is a group of people who are related to each other. That means family क्या होती है? Group of people जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं. People, person, for one and for more than one we use people. Okay? Group of people, people जो आपस में related होते हैं, आपस में एक दूसरे से relate करते हैं, जुड़े हुए होते हैं. For example, we saw these relationships now. Grandmother, grandfather, mom, dad, uncle, and all these. They all make a family. To whom do you live? You live with your family. Okay? But you know, sometime what happens? If we are working out, you must have seen your cousins or anybody. They live out, they work. Okay? So they live with their friends. But we all are living with a family. But you know what? There are different kinds of families. Huh? Really? Yes. There are 3 types of families. See? Wow, what a beautiful picture. What is this? See? A father is living, a man with his wife and a daughter. Man with his wife and a beautiful daughter. Means Papa, Mama, and their one child. And in the next picture, what we can see? Mama, beautiful Mama, handsome Papa, a father, and 2 lovely kids. They are having 2 children. See, for one I use child, and for 2 I am using children. The word children. For more than one we use children. Mama, Papa, along with their daughter. Here is 1 child and 2 child. See how many of you are living in such family? Just raise your hands. Where you are having where the parents are having 1 or 2 child. Now let's read from our book. Small families. A small family is parents. Parents means mama, papa, father and mother, and 1 or 2 children. अगर 1 children है और 2 children है, see, father, mother, child. A father, mother, 2 children, child 1, child 2. So my dear, ऐसी family को what do we say? We say small family. Now all of you just raise your hands who all are having a small family. आपको अपने हैंड्स रेज करने हैं इफ़ यू आर हैविंग स्मॉल फैमिली, मीन्स आपकी फैमिली में सिर्फ मम्मा रहती हैं, पापा रहते हैं और उनके 1 और 2 चाइल्ड. ओके. पेरेंट्स, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड पेरेंट्स. स्मॉल family, children, father, mother. These all spellings you have to learn, my dear. Small, parents, children. ओके. एक ऐसी फैमिली जिसमें सिर्फ पेरेंट्स रहते हैं और 1 और 2 चिल्ड्रन रहते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज स्मॉल फैमिली. साइना वॉन्ट्स टू नो हु इज़ द हेड ऑफ योर फैमिली. टेल मी, कौन है आपकी फैमिली का हेड? अभी हमने पढ़ा है ये. एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन यू विल बी रीडिंग योर सेल्फ. So, have you read? Second is who looks after your needs. Tell me, who's the head of your family? Father or grandfather? So you have to write over here. What you will be writing, my dear? Father. 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 Or if he's grandfather, then grand. 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 And F will be small. Grandfather or father. Who looks after your needs? कौन आपकी needs का take care रखता है? Who? Beautiful. Mother. Mother. Okay. Member of one family have the same last name. It is called their surname. You know what? Acha, for example, my name is Ambika. So what do I write? What is my full name? Ambika Agrawal. Or your name is Anshabra. Okay? Or Saransh Singh. Or Arnav Tyagi. Or anyone. So what you are writing? See, if you are writing Pratham Tyagi. So your father is also using Tyagi. Your mother is also using Tyagi. Right? Okay. So जो आपका second name होता है और third name usually, that means last name. So what that name is known as? That is known as surname. Underline the word surname. So what is your surname? Tell me quickly. Singh. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Now, what is this? Acha, okay. In this picture, parents are having 4 kids. And what in this picture? 2 parents are having 3 kids. Oh my God. So what type of family it is? This is known as big family. My dear, such families are known as big family. अभी we have read small family. स्मॉल फैमिली में पेरेंट्स रहते हैं 1 और 2 चिल्ड्रन के साथ. बट बिग फैमिली में more than 2 children. Father, mother and 3 or 2 or 4 any children. See any number. 4 children, 3 children. You getting? Such families are known as what are such families known as? Big families. Let's read. A big family has parents and more than 2 children. Then what is this? Who are they? I love my family. See, who are they? But mother, father, a kid, and who are they? Uncle, aunt, and their one kid. That means mama, papa, uncle, aunt रह रहे हैं and their kids. So who are they both to each other? They are cousins. Okay, when you are living with your uncle, aunt, or in the next picture, see parents and their 3 kids. See, first if parents with 1 kid, small family, parents with 3 kids, big family. But in this case, my dear, grandparents are also living. Dadu, Dadi. So this family is known as joint family. Oh my god. Mama, Papa, 3 kids, grandparents. Dadu, Dadi are known as grandparents. Mama and Papa are known as parents. And parents ke parents, that means grandparents. See, Mama, Papa, Uncle, Auntie, Dadu, Dadi, or maybe everybody is living, and these kids, and one uncle, aunt also there. See, Mama, Papa, Dadu, Dadi, and 2 uncle, 2 aunt, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. Such families are known as joint family. Simran is Saina's neighbor. Means in this picture, right? She is Saina and she is Simran. So Simran is Saina's neighbor. She lives in joint family. What is joint family? Let's see the family tree. What is a family tree? Grandparents. Okay. Grandparents are having 2 kids. Father, or we can say uncle or aunt, anybody. Then they are having 2 kids, Simran and brother. And uncle and aunt are all again having 2 kids, cousin, brother and sister. So where grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins living together in the same house is a joint family, and they are our relatives. I hope you have understood, my dear. So let's play a game. Okay, you will be telling me see, which family is this? आप मेरे को बताओगे अब ये फैमिली कौन सी है? बताइए. Mom, dad and grandparents and 2 kids, joint family. Let's write J. This mama, papa and 2 kids, small family. Good. Mama, papa and 3 kids, 1, 2, 3, big family. Remaining you have to tell me. You have to, what you have to do, you have to learn the spellings, but the spellings that are in your syllabus are not mom, it is mother. What it is? Mother. So you have to write down mother, father, sister, brother, grandma की जगह grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, and one more cousins. These spellings you can learn, okay? Then 3 types of families. Let's revise quickly. Family क्या होती है? What is a family? Group of people who are related to each other. And different families, 3 types of families होती हैं. Small family, 1 or 2 kid. Big family, 3 or more kids. 3 or more, that is big family. And joint family, living with grandparents or uncle aunt. Time for homework, my dear. And what is the homework? I live with my, किसके साथ रहते हो आप? Family. My surname is, आपको अपना सरनेम बताना है. My grandfather's name, grandmother's name, youngest cousin's name. Then you have to tell which type of family. One kid, parents and one kid. Small family. Parents and 4 kids. Big family. Parents and uncle aunt. Joint family. Find out how many of your classmates live in these families. Classmates तो अभी you cannot find ना, so you can do this with your neighbors. आपको बताना है आपके कितने neighbors small family में रहते हैं, कितने big family में, and how many in joint family. New words will be shared with you all. Okay, I hope this is clear, and if you are having any sort of problem, we can discuss it in our tomorrow's class. As today we were having some network issues, that's why I was unable to teach during the live class. I hope you'll understand this, and please keep on completing your homework. Thank you.